What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at the wall. One of the major issues I've been having is figuring out what I'm going to do with my foam cannons. I have too many, way too many foam cannons at this point, and I don't think I'm utilizing the space the way I could be. So what we're going to try to do today is, let's take a step back. That's what we got. That's what we're working with. Mess. So I think what we're gonna do is try to move this up. And these are simple enough. I mean, it's annoying. I hate these things. Do you hate these things? Where it's got this little teardrop thing. But I want to move that up more, so my headphones hang up higher. And I think what we're gonna do is get rid of this shelf there. Leave this one. And what I ended up picking up was two solutions. This was the first one, Maxshine makes. I'll show you what it looks like, you know, without everything on it, but I was just doing testing purposes. My phone rang, so, you know. What we're gonna try to do is this. We're gonna try to, I guess, mount it so that it's like this. We'll have some space here. I don't really use that too much. It'll be more center focused here, and then I'll be able to, like I said, put those up a little bit, and likely put that second shelf there, since we got a dangler on this one, but we don't have a dangler on the other one. That one over there. Everything's a mess, by the way. I don't know, I always say I'm still. I think I'm gonna always be organizing, cleaning, upgrading, and purchasing. That seems to be a situation. But yeah, let's see if we don't screw this straight to hell. I'm gonna show you the second option. It's hanging out over there a little bit. I got two other foam cannons. Out of those two, I'm gonna keep one out and available. So I'm probably gonna have 4 foam cannons on the wall. Is that stupid? It's kind of stupid, but we'll see what happens. I don't know. Is it dumb? Everything's dumb. Everything I do is dumb. We literally have 100,000 tripods. Right? 100,000 cameras. What do? I don't use them because I'm lazy. Like I said, trying to figure out where we're going here. This is what this looks like. Hey, how you doing? So I wasn't gonna get a Maxshine, but I do have Maxshine things here, and honestly I don't mind them. Not like a horrible company, they have their place. But what we're gonna do, see, I gotta talk about this. It's not fully flat, but I gotta get this sweatshirt off because I'm dying. I'm gonna die in this garage. What that pee-pee do, baby? What that pee-pee do? It goes pee-pee. That's what it do. I wanna go... Where do I wanna go? I don't know. Smart thing to do would be to do that. Extend it. What's up? That's literally how mentally messed up I am. I just had to drill 4 new holes because I wanted it a tiny bit taller, and I noticed it was definitely crooked. I don't know what I did on the last one, but it's okay because now it's up there sturdy and we're good. Now let's put some of these on here. So I guess the plan is, I don't know if I can just shove them in. No, I'm gonna need 2 hands probably. Oh no, one hand. And it just goes right on. And even though that's a fat boy, that's a fatty fat boy, that fit nice. I'm debating on whether I'm gonna keep the MTM because I don't know, but it's been, you know, the see this, the MTM has a little bit more resistance where I have to lock it in, but it's still fine, and it leaves room for Cinderella, the slender one on the ball. Where is Cinderella? Cinderella's hanging out with option number 2, which I'm going to show you right now actually. So I was watching a lot of videos and I saw some companies selling these things very similar to what I just concocted here. And the prices were ridiculous, right? So I go on Amazon, I shop most of the time, most of my day, most of my weeks, most of my months, most of my years on Amazon, and I found this piece here, which I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna link down below, because I'm not like these guys that are like, hey, check out my prefabricated thing to save you some money. You decide what you want to get out. So I got this, and it's got a little 1/4-inch thread in here, and I'll show you where I got these on Amazon. These are little fittings that you can get in the 2 packs, and they just literally, I'm doing this off camera, it screws in right here, and you could literally just mount this anywhere, like anywhere. I'm saying anywhere, right? Oh, almost dropped it. Hooks right up and it goes right on. So like you can have that as a solution, and like I'm telling you, like, you could put it on anything. You could put it on a door. Yoink. Oh, I got this. Oh, I want to put it here. Yoink. I want to put it on my pee-pee. What'd that pee-pee do? It squirts foam. I don't know. So you could put it wherever you want. For me, oh look, that's nice. Drilled. Got dust. Fuck. God damn it. What's that pee-pee do? It goes. Oh no, it's too heavy. Oh, I had to do a flip midair. Oh, it's still too heavy. I wasn't putting it in the right hole. I did it twice right. I got kids. So that's where that goes. This, I might get a second one of these, to be honest with you, now that I'm seeing the size. And this might get mounted on the cart and have my pressure washer cannon on the cart, like the one I'm using, so this way I don't have to worry about it. Could be a good option, because right here, 3 on the wall, that's enough. Let's not get crazy or psychotic. And it's easy on, easy off. This video is cuckoo, like most of mine, but this goes on. And again, this is one-handed. Not ideal to do things one-handed, but come on, let's go, baby. Let's go. Better. Improvement. It's like the things that I start using the most. So I'm gonna take those 2 screws out here, right? Take a little black marker and do little dabby dabs in there. I'm gonna move this up so that I can, this is supposed to be a cell phone holder. It fits now, my cell phone, because I got a smaller case, but I had the OtterBox before, so I never really had it. So I mean, technically I could have, but you know what, I could I? No. I mean, I could. Do I really want to bother moving that? I don't know. Fuck. God damn it. I literally have an air conditioner in my garage because it gets hot. So if there's a lot of wind, my daughter's got a Gabby playhouse, and she's yelling at me to go bring it upstairs. And she uses my weight mats, my drop mats. So anyway, I wanted to give you chaos. I want to give you an update. This is what we got so far. I decided I want to move that up because otherwise I feel lazy, and I don't want to feel lazy anymore. I felt lazy when I was 400 pounds, and I hated every moment of feeling lazy. So what we're going to do is now take this one, and I'm going to put this one like here, right? So I'll have a little shelf here to keep my polishing gloves or whatever I had, but for right now this looks so much cooler, and I'm going to put this shelf, and I'm going to show you what we're done with there, and we got this. This is, again, like I said, this could be probably one of the best things. That was like $30-something, $39. So with shipping and everything, yeah, it came out to like 50 bucks for like 4 little screw setup to put something on. And now, like, I want to go foam the car. I literally take this one-handed and I'm out. Like, I go right to my detail cart, which I'll have positioned over there whenever it's time. There's literally, this is like a no-brainer. It's easy on, easy off, you know, and it looks fine. I think you could fit 3 fat boys there. It's possible. Who knows? At the end of the day, that's up to you. Use your imagination. I'm just showing you kind of sort of what I've got. That wouldn't work for me on my cart, but again, this will something. Let's find out. Let's get this done. I don't know, too much going on here. Okay, so I filled in some of the holes with black stuff, a little black paint here and there, and we're doing good. So I think this overall looks better. Oh, can this still fit up there? Oh, that'd be freaking fantastical. Look at that. That's just an amazing situation, right? It still looks like shit, but it looks less shitty, right? So that's what we're gonna roll with. As long as things are less shitty, that means we're making progress toward not being shitty at all. And this is where we at, right here. This is it. Okay, so we got a cell phone holder up there, which, I mean, I probably don't want to have my phone anywhere near me when I'm doing things, because I have a tendency of getting splatter of polish on things, but it could go up there. I could think of another thing for to use up there anyway, but I have that mount. Probably I'll be using it in a new house when we have a new wall. I'm obviously going to take all of my Poca Premium mounts and still have my polishers and my setup. It's probably going to be much more extensive wherever I do go, but for right now, this is what we got, and I think it looks pretty phenomenal right now for what I'm working with. Okay, this, it's all, it just makes me happy. Okay, very nice. Got our little thing, so I got my gloves here, and everything looks good. Actually, what I'm probably gonna do is just leave my polishing gloves here, my Shine Supply gloves. I actually enjoy those gloves. I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm gonna do that. But yeah, this is what we got. Now, as far as this, I mentioned my cart. This is a very easy thing. There's so much wind. I got so much stuff. By the way, hello? But this thing is one of these situations where I could like have it, see, size-wise, not that I'm gonna put it there, but it wouldn't, I mean, it could technically mount somewhere. I was thinking more along the lines of something like this. I don't know necessarily what I would want to do. Realistically, the smart move is to just have one of these like somewhere like this, so I could just attach my foam cannon. Like I said, I have 2 other ones that I bought on Amazon. I don't know which one I'm gonna keep. The realistic thing is that I'm probably gonna keep this one and just have this as a spare somewhere, maybe, but I'll keep this one out. And I'll tell you why. I like this setup more now that I see it on the MJJC, where this goes on. I don't need any thread tape on this, and it's nice and secure versus this. Not that it matters, it doesn't. It's just, you know, me being a nitpicking complainer on the internet, as always. But I like this more, and the bottle design, I actually dig it a lot more because it's got these ridges that I could just grab more. Yes, this has somewhat of something to grab, but it's not an ideal thing for me. But this could be, you know, just kind of sticking out there, and it wouldn't protrude out too much, actually. Anyway, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. I have lots of videos that I plan on doing, so if you're into this kind of crap and you want to listen to some crazy ass North Jersey weirdo talk about stuff. I'm very uncut, unfiltered. I'm not going to be the typical detail channel that sits here and shows you all these technical specifications, and they're all monotone and they have no goddamn emotion, and they're just not real. They're doing it for views and clicks and likes, and this is like some serious form of income for them. I'm here because I mess around. I like you all. I make videos, whether half of them are shit or half of them aren't. I'm just an honest kind of guy. That's where my value is, I feel. In the, what the hell? I got marker on my goddamn hand. Anyway, that's where my value, I feel, is. I test things out. I give you my honest opinion. If you take my opinion for face value, like you should, you still need to go and test things out on your own. Don't just take people's opinion and that's it, run away and just go spend all of your money. Watch other videos. See if there's a consensus amongst people and everybody's like, oh, okay, you know, this definitely looks the way it should. You know what I really hate? I hate how this sits taller. It's so annoying. You know, I'm gonna tell you right now, if the MTM is a harder push on there than this, then this is gonna be the one that sits up there. I hate to say it. I haven't been a huge MTM guy for a minute. We'll see. Ops, done. Forget it. MTM, you're out, baby. Oh, wait a minute. Red, white, and blue. The hell am I doing? Whoa! Almost busted my whole ass. Not half of it, the whole thing. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and humble. And this is what we got. Alright, everybody. Have a good day. Goodbye.